Good morning, Hampton, fourth grade. It's Mr. Harris again with another video. Trying to get us started off. It's Monday. Trying to start this week off on the right foot with some reading. Today we're going to be going over the structure of drama. The structure of drama. So, first things first, because I've already told y'all what we're going to be doing, it's best that we write down what genre our text is. Now we've dealt with fiction, we've dealt with nonfiction, we've dealt with poetry. Drama is another one that we're going to continue to review. So I believe that I went over a lesson with this a little earlier on during our e-learning experience. Just want to revisit it so we can tackle some more skills and get used to it as we prepare for the fifth grade. All right. So for drama, the things that help us identify that it's a drama text are when we have this box here. This gives us an idea of who our characters are in the story. Oop, messed that up. This box here gives us an idea of who our characters are in the story. It's our character box. Let's bypass that part for now. This box here. Next, we have our stage directions. These are the parts that allow people that are trying to reenact the script to know what's going on. So exactly what's going on the stage, whatever is happening. Sometimes you may hear narrators read these parts out loud so that people know what's going on. Next, we have our dialogue. And the dialogue is basically the conversations that happen between characters. So here is a old man, and then you have these different speaking parts, followed by Peter with his different speaking parts, Roger with his speaking parts, and Wallace with his speaking parts. Everybody has their speaking parts within a play. Okay? So as we're reading through this, and I'll just label these things. As we're reading through this, we're going to prepare ourselves to answer some questions about the structure of drama. So here we have our character box. Let me just change the color of that font again. Like the screen. Character box. Down here we have our stage directions. And then all throughout here we have our dialogue. Dialogue on this side. Speaking parts here. All right. So let's go ahead and read through this. A Bundle of Sticks, a play in one act adapted from the fable of Aesop. Characters: Old Man, Peter, first son, Roger, second son, Wallace, third son. Our stage directions. The curtain rises on a simple bedroom in an old house. An old man lies in his bed with his three grown sons standing by his side. Old man, speaking with a weak voice. These many years have passed, and I lie before you on my deathbed. The doctor has told me my race is nearly run. Peter with strong emotion. Father, surely there is something that we might do. Old man. No, no, Peter. You are the oldest of three brothers. It is now your work to look after our family. My farm shall be divided equally among you. You will work side by side, prospering together. So we can write that the old man, for our Stop and Drops, we can write that the old man is dying and wants Peter to look after the family. Father, you can't mean that. I'm a grown man and I can look after myself. Oh, sorry, that's Roger speaking. Father, you can't mean that. I'm a grown man and I can look after myself. I will soon find a wife and start my own family. Wallace, Roger is right in this, Father. Peter is not my overseer. I plan to buy my own land. I will farm alone, enjoy the rich years, and enduring the poor years by my own efforts. Both younger brothers don't want Peter supervising them. Both younger brothers don't really care for Peter looking after them. That might be important later on. Old man shaking his head sadly. Wallace, always so willful, you have forever been headstrong. You have much to learn about life. Wallace, what is it that you would have me know then? Am I to be Peter's servant? Oh man, I am tired, Wallace. I have taught you much of what I know, Roger. But there is one last lesson for you both to learn. Peter, bring in a bundle of sticks from the woodshed. Excuse me. Peter promptly leaves the room while the brothers wait for Peter to reappear. The old man looks at them thoughtfully. Peter entering the room with a large bundle of sticks tied together with strong string. Here, father, what shall I do with these sticks? Old man, break the bundle of sticks in half. Use your great strength to split the sticks. Peter balances the bundle on one knee and then presses down with all of his strength on both ends of the bundle. The bundle begins to bow, but it doesn't break. Peter, father, I cannot. Oh man, Roger, break these sticks into pieces. Roger takes the bundle with a confused look on his face. He leans the bundle against a sturdy wall and pushes against the center of the bundle with all of his weight. So here we can write Peter could not break the sticks. Roger, father, the bundle is large. I cannot break the sticks. What lesson is this? Old man, Wallace, you have a broad back and a strong will. Break the sticks. Wallace places a foot in the center of the bundle as he lifts up one end. With all the force he can muster, he pulls. The sticks make a cracking sound as they bow, but the bundle remains unbroken. Your lesson is lost on me, father. I cannot break the bundle of sticks. Oh man, untie the bundle, Wallace. Each of you take an equal share of the sticks. Break only your part of the bundle. Wallace nor Roger could break the bundle either. The brothers each pick up one third of the part of the bundle, one third part of the bundle. They again try to break the sticks. One by one, the smaller bundles break. The brothers hold the broken stick pieces, looking from each other to their old father. Old man, divided and alone, you are weaker. Together, your strength can overcome any hardship. My last lesson is this: whatever joys or sorrows your lives may bring, stand firmly beside each other. So here we have a lesson learned. And the reason why we have a lesson learned is because, as they say, this is a play adapted from a fable. Our lesson learned is that the brothers are stronger together than they are apart. Okay. So now we'll move on down to our questions for the day. Question number 1 is, question number 7 is our question that I'll work on with you all. And question number 9 is the question that you guys will do independently. So question number 7 first. When the old man first tells Peter to take care of his brothers, Roger A. asks if he can help his father. B. Tells his father of his plans to get rich. C. Protests that he plans to marry and move away. D. Gives his brothers a life lesson. So let's scroll back up to where we first introduced to Roger. Roger, after the old man tells Peter to look after them, says, "Father, you can't mean that. I am a grown man and I can look after myself. I will soon find a wife and start my own family. I will soon find a wife and start my own family." Let's highlight that there. So is it A, ask the father if he can help? No. He says he's going to find a wife. We're looking for him finding a wife. So we can cross that out. B, tells his father of his plan to get rich? No. Cross that out. Protests that he plans to marry and move away? Maybe. Let's leave it blank for now. Gives his brothers a life lesson? Nope. We can cross that out. So our correct answer is C. Ooh, I forgot to put an X there. Our correct answer is C. Protests that he plans to marry and move away. Because you see, we can find it directly in the text here. Let's look at question number 9. Look at this section from the play. Old man speaking with a weak voice. These many years have passed, and I lie before you on my deathbed. The doctor has told me that my race is nearly run. The stage direction shows A, how the actor how to speak, B, the audience that the old man is dying, C, the name of one of the main characters, D, the reader an image of a foot race. All right? So remember, you're responsible for sending me the correct answer to that question, as well as responding in Class Dojo to the attendance question for the day. Our attendance question for today is, what is your favorite thing to eat for breakfast? Remember, you're sending this answer to each of your homeroom teachers. What is your favorite thing to eat for breakfast? Thank you. Have a great day. See you guys on Wednesday.